Minister of National Security Fitzgerald Hinds has reiterated the government's plan to allocate the largest portions of the national budget to education and health as part of its strategy to address crime. However, during the debate on the National Appropriation Bill 2024, opposition MP Rodney Charles argued that the government is not effectively addressing the root causes of crime. More in this report from Arianna Scipio.
Minister of National Security Fitzgerald Hinds revealed that the budget allocated to the Ministry of National Security was $6.9 billion. He elaborated that the higher allocations for education, health and social development is part of the government's plan to tackle crime from a public health and educational perspective.
Given that a public health approach to violent crime focuses as well on health, some cases mental health, poverty, housing and education, and given that we have taken a whole of government approach, these allocations yield no surprise to me, Madam.
He also underscored the existence of transnational crimes like human and drug trafficking, as well as the influx of guns from other countries, specifically North and South America. Hinds assured that the Ministry of National Security will persist in implementing measures to enhance security and protect the nation. Additionally, he issued an apology to the victims of various crimes that have occurred in the country.
I want to apologize to the people of Trinidad and Tobago, those who have lost dear ones, those persons who are traumatized by some of our citizens and perhaps others in home invasion, in rapes, in incest.
Hinds emphasized the symposium held in April 2023 at the Hyatt Regency, which brought together numerous societal groups. These groups, in conjunction with CARICOM leaders, have expressed their support for the government's approach to combating crime and affirmed their commitment to it. Regarding the present state of crime, he acknowledged that societal values have changed.
It appears as though, and there are those who feel, that the laws as they now stand in Trinidad and Tobago and the jurisprudence favors the criminal rather than the rest of us who are their victims.
In response to his statement, MP for Naparima, Rodney Charles, expressed concerns about the lack of policy-driven data to support the government's increase in TTPS recruitment. He argued that having more police on the ground does not guarantee a decrease in crime and emphasized the need for better management of the TTPS. Charles referred to the symposium that took place in April 2023, stating that the government spends money but reaps no benefits due to the symposium yielding no result.
No anti-crime plan has come out of the discussions. No reduction in murders, no measurable reduction in murders or other crimes since the symposium. And if you ask them about it, we'll get a list of talk. But they would not tell you.
The MP stood firm in his opinion that the government did not produce results in reducing crime. Arianna Scipio, Tobago Updates Television News.